for those earning minimum wage, under this bill, they are going to be paying tax at 0%, meaning they are not paying tax.
Interesting.
Their tax rate is...
Then you are not going to pay tax.
Their tax rate is 0%. So it's taking away the burden of taxation from the poor. And of course, the rich will likely pay a little more. But that is how it should be. When you are talking of taxation,
let's get this straight. They are not going
inequality.
to pay tax at all, or there's a certain percentage that will still be deducted.
Okay, so
people don't get that quote from you and said,
So-
we're not supposed to pay tax. And at the end, when they check their pay slip and they see they're still paying tax, they had it on platform.
So you can quote me, and it's in the section of the law. You can check it in the law.
Okay.
That's the bill that is with the National Assembly. If you earn minimum wage, that's 800 or thereabout, your tax rate, the rate is there in the bill. The tax rate is 0%. So when you say something 0%, meaning there's no tax. So if you are earning about 800, 840, under this bill, you are not paying taxes.
Okay.
So now, there are types of taxes. So for personal income tax, which salary earners, self-employed, I mean, those that earn salary, the tax on your person, you pay as a person.
Okay.
You are not going to pay if your income is below 800,000. You are paying tax at 0%. And
that is annually.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, because it's 70 per month. Yes, annually. Then for VAT, what has been done now is that if you look at a typical worker, they spend about 83% of their income on food, shelter, transportation, and so on and so forth. Now, what this bill has done is that 83% is now VAT at 0. They are not going to pay value-added tax. So now, if you rent a house, you are not paying. If your children is going to school, there is no VAT burden. That is, your educational material, what you buy for your children, the school fees itself, even the school, so that the school will not transfer the VAT burden on you. The school itself will not pay VAT. So that we don't have cascading, because if the school is paying VAT, they have to shift it back on the parents that are paying the school fees.
Yes.
So schools are not going to pay VAT. Hospitals are not going to pay VAT. Farmers are not going to pay VAT. So when you consume food, there's no VAT on it, on food items. When your children go to school, you are not there's no VAT concern for you. Transportation, share public transportation, there's no VAT concern for you. Rent, there's no VAT concern for you. When you go to hospital, there's no VAT concern for you. So that is what is in this bill.
Okay.